y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Y'all, they done messed around and sent me another braided wig, but this go around they sent me a 26-inch bust down traditional box braid, well I guess I should say knotless box braid unit. This is what she's looking like straight out of the box. They are offering this unit in two different colors of obviously the natural black color, and then they also offer it in a 613, and if I'm thinking correctly, the 613 version has like the darker roots and the 613 is like mixed into it, and then it goes down into the like just solid 613 towards the bottom. But you know, I'm a traditional type of gal, so I went with the natural black color. Cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. And instead of the traditional adjustable straps in the back, it does come with 3 Invisi straps in the back, and those Invisi straps then go up along the nape of the neck to where on each side of the ear they gather, and you can squish them, not squish them, Lord, why did I say squish? You can pull them to you can pull them to adjust it to however you would like on your head, so it can fit as comfortably, as loose or as tight as you would like. Girl, I can't talk today, bless it. It also comes with a already sewn in security band that you can adjust, bless it. As you can see, this unit does come with pre-cut lace, and it also comes with pre-bleached knots, so therefore whenever I put the unit on, it should give a very scalp-like appearance. Also, this unit is a full-on lace unit, so no matter where you part the unit, it's going to give that scalp-like effect as well. As you can see, the braids are done very nice and very neatly. Like, I'm not even seeing any like crazy flyaways or anything like that. Also, as I look at the ends of the unit, these braids are braided down to like the very end, so like you won't have to worry about these braids coming undone. I recently just reviewed another braided unit from LuvMe Hair. It was a shorter type of style, and it had like curls and like boho pieces throughout. Very cute. Unfortunately, it is not big head friendly, so therefore don't like that part about it. I'm still gonna figure out a way to rock her, don't get it twisted, but she's not big head friendly. Anywho, I say all that to say I'm really hoping that this one is big head friendly, because girl, I've been itching for some braids for the summer, but I just don't want to sit for 5 to 8 hours. So if this one is big head friendly, we in business. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. We're going to start with my cons first, and truth be told, I have no cons for this unit, but there is one thing that I do want to mention. When I was installing this unit, I noticed that there was quite a bit of buckling along my hairline when it came to the lace for this unit. So then off camera, I just took the unit off and then I reapplied it. I also cut off a little bit of extra lace, and then I pulled it tight on my hairline. Why did I have like a brain fart? And once I did that and like re-melted the lace, she looks good now. If I'm thinking correctly, most of the time whenever there's some type of buckling along the hairline, it's because the unit is too small, but this unit actually isn't too small at all. I personally think I just didn't cut off enough lace the first time I tried to install the unit, but I'm glad I saw it. I'm glad I noticed it, because I was able to go in and correct it, and now I feel like it looks so good. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move into my pros. The unit itself is so pretty. Like I mentioned earlier, as you guys can see, the braid braids are done so nicely. It's not a whole bunch of like flyaway hairs or anything like that coming out of the braids. They're braided all the way to the bottom. Every last one of them are like a very uniform size. Child, I'm getting sleepy. Basically what I'm saying is it really does give a very nice salon quality type of look. Another pro about this unit is the length and convenience of her. The fact that this unit is 26 inches in length, they really meant 26 inches in length. It goes all the way to the top of my buttocks area, and I'm around 5'7" in height. But then also the fact that it took me about 30 minutes or so to put this unit on, because you know, you gotta keep in mind, I had to go in and cut some of the lace, and then also, like I said, I installed the unit, but then I took it off and I had to reinstall it. 30 minutes, give or take, for a 26-inch head full of knotless box braids. Yes ma'am, I'll take it. I'll also mention that I'm really liking the density of this unit as well. She's not too thick, she's not too thin, she's just right. And also, even when it comes down to the parting and the squares on each braid, you know how some braiders can make like those huge chunky squares and then have like these itty bitty teeny tiny like braids in them, like the braids and the squares aren't matching up. You don't have to worry about that when it comes to this unit. Everything just looks really nice and uniform, again, giving that salon quality type of vibe. Now, I will say that if you plan on putting this unit up into either a bun or a ponytail, be mindful about the back. Personally, I did not tack the back down, like I didn't use any spray or any glue or anything like that. But if I was going to just like wear it in a ponytail or a high bun and I wanted to wear it like that all day, if I did not use any spray or either use a thick headband to cover up the back, then I would go in with some glue. Now, if you know me, then you know I don't really like to use glue whenever it comes to my wigs. But with this particular unit, again, if I truly wanted to put it up into a high bun or a high ponytail, then yes, I would definitely need to go ahead and utilize some glue. For me personally, this unit is a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love the way it looks and how it feels. I low-key also want to try the 613 version just so I can see how that color looks against my skin tone. I've never tried that like color wave of braids because, you know, again, I feel like you can never go wrong with a natural black color. But anywho, if you guys feel like you like this unit as well and you feel like you want to pick her up, feel free to use my discount code TANWilliams, and that'll save you 28% off of LuvMe Hair's entire website. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TANWilliams_XO. I'll make sure to have direct links to those in the description box below. I'll also make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below as well. Other than that though, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.